Diba?
Remains and reporter of the the topic is about compulsory confinement of the dependent on the case of information program. That was an Illinois rule and regulation. Contrary, in a person that is not found to be dependent on the organization with the beginning of its authorized facilitate by treatment and rehabilitation center. Duly designated or candidate for the purpose. Petition of non-confinement to a person alleged to be dependent on the individual's health. The center may be filed the person charged with the court of the regional framework or province procedure where such person is found after the filed court by an order that it takes date of hearing and representative to preserve the person alleged dependent on the dangerous crime as the one have been charged with. After such hearing and warrant, the court shall order that defendant to be examined by both positions by the court. If both positions with the respondent is not the defendant, the court shall order this charge. Either position present to the defendant. The court shall conduct hearing to determine relevant evidence which may offer if the court finds him as a defendant. It shall issue order for case her commitment to treatment and rehabilitation center under the supervision of the case in any confinement order research order confinement or commitment should not be less than 10 days from filing of the petition. About sa yan itong ang kaning sa pag makamakwa na mabalma mupan sa makapisin siya ang sa pagbulit para ma-determine ang kuan na siya na dependent or dili. Also the submission of God defendant charge with an offense of treatment and rehabilitation. A person charged with an offense with the impossible penalty is imprisonment of less than 6 years and 1 day. It is found by the prosecutor or by the court at any stage of the proceeding within the defendant, prosecutor or the court as the case may be shall suspend all part of proceedings and transmit copies of the case. Record to the case to the board sa kanilang pananim. Makwana siya, kung nasa penalty 6 years and 1 day, kaya kung siya, kanilang minalidad, so ikuan siya, at ito na siya kung pwede ikuan rehabilitation program sa ikuan, DOH, dinilin sa ikuan detention center. The event of the evidence of the medical examination that the founded interest requires that such regards dependent be committed to center for treatment and rehabilitation. It shall file petition for his her commitment to the regional trial court or the province or city. Kani mapana iyang kaso ani mapana siya nga siya ka dependent sa kagagyo sa edad nun siya basa iyang kaso dito sa trial court sa provincial para sa regional trial court para makuha o kung sa iyang charge siya. The head of the center shall submit for 24 months. So, ito na siya sa rehabilitation center. Sa rehabilitation center, pupasa every 4 months sa mga requirements report about sa upaan. Thereafter, investigation is any offense punishable by law or shall continue as the case may be in case of conviction. The judgment shall be accused certified by the judgment and rehabilitation center to have maintained good behavior. Mag-charge siya dito. So, nasa ikuan. Nasa ipakita dito nga good behavior. So, malis iyahang kuan, iyahang dito, rehabilitation program. Case of prescription of the offense charged against a drug dependent under the compulsory submission program. The period of prescription of the offense charged against a drug dependent under the compulsory submission program time, the drug dependent is under confinement in the center or was under the treatment and rehabilitation program approved by the board. Upon certification of the center, the case will be temporarily be discharged from the said center. The court shall order this release and condition this shall report to the board through the delays for aftercare and follow-up treatment for a period of not exceeding 18 months under such terms condition will be imposed by the board. Anytime during the aftercare and follow-up period, the court certifies to his prior complete rehabilitation, the court shall order his the final discharge from confinement and order for the immediate assumption of the trial of the case for which he or she is originally charged. So the board will do its fine at any time during aftercare and follow-up period that he or she required further treatment and rehabilitation. It shall report to the court. It shall order his or her commitment to the center. So, pagpapala siya na ang iyahang i-release na siya i-discharge na siya sa DOH pero kinahanglan na siya kung na siya sa gawas kinahanglan siya na ay follow up or aftercare ang report na kung siya sa ka dito siya sa report na kung siya sa board. Should document having been committed to us in the application by the board state. So kani nga tayo kung siya ay iskato siya. So, lang nga po siya balik sa dito o report siya sa kayang various spouse guardians or natin. However, the defendant does not submit herself or himself for confinement or she is not rendered for commitment to work after the court issuance commitment order. So, dili siya magkasabit dahil magaman kung kayo lang sa board na pakuan sa commitment pamiliton niya sa rehabilitation center. Contract with the defendant under this particular section is finally discharged from the confinement shall be exempt from criminal liability. And then section 15, kanina section 15 is kapag pagkuhan, magkamit sa usay na drug. And acting out with the just outcome of independent engagement in the court. On the other hand, it permitted that it is not based on the second commitment shall commitment to the assistant shall upon convicted by the president suffer the same penalties provided under section 15. This act again will outcome of independent engagement defined in the court.